These AI-powered car transformation videos are exploding across social media right now. One Instagram page has already gained over 102,000 followers simply by posting this type of content. Their best-performing videos have reached 17.8 million, 7.4 million, and 1.8 million views. The best part? None of them were filmed with a real camera, created in a garage, or required any car modification experience. And in just a moment, I'll show you a car transformation video that I generated with AI in less than 5 minutes. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So, now open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me a list of famous car models from popular automotive brands around the world. Press enter, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a collection of legendary and well-known cars. Browse through the list and choose one. That would look exciting in a dramatic modification video. Once you've selected your car, you're ready for the next step. Now, open the master prompt linked in the description below. Copy the entire prompt exactly as provided. Next, open Google Flow. Select Video, choose OmniFlash as the model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Then, return to ChatGPT, copy the name of the car you selected, and replace the vehicle placeholder in the prompt with your chosen model. Here's a simple trick that makes the final result look much more cinematic. Before the car's name, add the color you want, for example, matte black Lamborghini Aventador. This small change gives the transformation sequence a much cleaner, more premium, and visually impressive look. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within seconds, your AI-generated car modification video will be complete and ready to share on social media. Here's another transformation I created using the exact same workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.